Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering down and eliminating risk. Unplug the system and discharge static. Touch the chassis before you handle components. Next, remove the side panel and detach GPU power cables, taking note of each connector orientation so you can reconnect them later. Then, unscrew the PCIe retention bracket and any case screws that secure the card. Hold the GPU with one hand while you loosen the final screw to prevent the board from bending or falling. Once removed, place the GPU on an ESD-safe surface and inspect the shroud. Locate all visible screws and any hidden under stickers or pads. Carefully unplug the fan cable from the PCB by lifting the connector tab and never pull on wires directly. Use a small tool if needed. Unscrew the fan and shroud fasteners methodically, keeping screws sorted by length. Then lift the fan assembly away to expose the heatsink and motor hub so you can access the blades and bearings. To remove the fan, separate it from the shroud and note how it seats. Clean contact surfaces and inspect for broken tabs. If replacing, use an identical spec fan. Reassemble by reversing steps. Seat shroud, tighten screws evenly without over-torquing, and reconnect the fan header to the correct orientation. Once installed, reinstall the GPU, secure the bracket, reconnect power, and boot. If a fan stalls or won't spin, make sure the connector is seated and test the fan on a bench power source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.